Given the unit circle below, what is the geometric meaning of sine, cos, and tan? Please memorize for the unit circle the radius is 1, and that the x value, which is the x coordinate, is cosine theta. And memorize that the y coordinate is sine theta. So any point P has coordinates x comma y, and it's just good to memorize that the y value is sine theta and x is cos theta. Now where does that come from? It comes from SOHCAHTOA. If we call this y, which is the height, and x, which is the side-to-side motion of the point, we know that sine theta is equals to opposite the right triangle, which is y over hypotenuse, which is 1. So from now on, y is sine theta. Similarly, cos theta is equals to adjacent, which is x over hypotenuse. So x indeed is cos theta. So geometrically, sine is the height, cos is the width. Now what about tan? So let's use a little bit of ingenuity here and touch the tangent of the circle and extend this triangle, the right triangle, out a bit more. So this is a right triangle here, so we can still use SOHCAHTOA. I will call this T. This height is a bit longer than sine. The y value is a sine. Now what is T? So we know that tan theta equals opposite, which is T, over adjacent. And notice how this adjacent is also the radius, which is 1. So from now on, memorize that if you extend out the tangent line here for this right triangle, that T equals tan theta. So geometrically, it's going to be this height here. And you're going to have to stretch your imagination to figure that out.